Hello again there guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. Today, we'll be talking about how you can make a $22,400 Faceless channel and never work again. So let's get you started right away. Number 5, YouTube.com. How does it work? You can make a Faceless YouTube channel in just about any niche you can think of. Pick a topic, make videos using illustration or a screenshot, play your voice over existing content for a reaction channel, and then upload a video slideshow. There are a million ways to do so. Number 4, what's a Faceless YouTube channel? Here's how it works. The whole idea is that you create a YouTube channel and then create content without ever having to show your face. There are tons of successful channels out there that do this. You can make a channel about relaxing music, rainbows, etc. You might have seen some of those TikToks or videos on YouTube. Number 3, why go faceless? A lot of people are interested in being on YouTube, but they don't want to show their faces. The reason for this is maybe they feel insecure about their appearance, or they don't want to show themselves for personal reasons, like they don't want coworkers to find them online, or perhaps even their family members for whatever reason. So a faceless channel on YouTube is the perfect solution. Create a content that you want anonymously. Number 2, real versus virtual world. In the real world, you can build a traditional brick-and-mortar business like a pizza shop, open it up, and people will just come in and spend their money just because the location simply exists. This requires no marketing, advertising, or even promotion. In the online world, nothing could be farther from the truth. If you put up a new website without any marketing, advertising, or promotion, the people will never find out about it. Number 1, what are niches and how do they help us earn online? A niche is the area of expertise in which you'll specialize. These niches aren't trendy. They've been bestsellers for a long time because they appeal to people's deeply held wants and desires. The products may change, but these are core niches that will never go away and will always be part of the human experience. In most cases, these categories have been around long before the internet and are popular offline in brick-and-mortar stores as well. And that means they've got staying power. These are the 10 most profitable niches on the internet. Number 10, fitness and weight loss. P90X, Weight Watchers, the Atkins diet, the South Beach diet, the keto diet, the list goes on. For centuries, people have been associated with losing weight and getting in shape, and they're always looking for the next fad diet, exercise program, or magic pill to help them do it. Companies have been right there with them with products helping them do just that. Supplements, diets, weight loss programs, exercise programs, and so much more. As a YouTuber, you can never go wrong in this niche. Just about every demographic in every country in the world is into this. Again, don't let the idea that this market is very crowded fool you into thinking you can't compete in it. Where there's a lot of competition, there are plenty of profits to be made. Number 9, health. Health is closely related to the fitness and weight loss market, and there is some overlap, but it's different enough to merit its entry onto the top 10 list. People these days more than ever are taking their health into their own hands. You've seen products in this niche everywhere: gluten-free herbal remedies, supplements, detoxing, healing arts, and products of all types. Basically, it's anything that promotes a healthy lifestyle which helps avoid disease and makes you live longer. Alternative health is extremely popular here. We're not talking about mainstream medicine. These are cures and alternative treatments that the pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know about after all. The opportunities to profit here are endless. Books, supplements, information products, physical products, coaching, etc. You can always make videos unboxing health products and reviewing them, but instead of showing your face, you can do a voiceover. Number 8, dating and relationships. Whether someone is looking for love, is into online dating, or is in a relationship but struggling and looking for a way to rekindle a passion, a whole range of products in the dating and relationships niche are there to help. People always need advice when it comes to this area, one of the essential elements in life, but so difficult to navigate. Dating and relationships, whether for single people, couples, divorced people, etc., will always be a huge niche market that sells and is full of profit potential. Number 7, pets. If you've been to a pet store lately, you know that pet owners will spare no expense and will buy just about anything pet related. Gourmet dog food, pet toys, healthy treats, even dog strollers and cat leashes. Dog training is also a huge market. If you have a passion for pet training, you can create information products like ebooks on the topic. Or you could simply sell books and courses of others as an affiliate. You could also come up with different tips and tricks to train your pets. You can even do story time videos where you can share your experiences while training pets, if that's ever happened, that is. The reality is many people treat their pets and spend more on their pets than they do on themselves, and this is a niche market that's only growing bigger and bigger every year. Number 6. Self-improvement. Also known as self-help, this is a huge niche online. There are courses and programs, books, videos, online training, and coaching. Whether someone wants to build self-esteem, experience career success, increase their confidence, set and achieve goals, overcome adversity or obstacles, there's a self-improvement product out there. Number 5. Wealth building through investing. Let's face it, people want to make money, and they know that stocks, bonds, options, forex or currency trading, futures, and other investment products are a way to do that. They've seen the news and all those hedge fund billionaires and super successful investors cashing in, and now they want to get in on the action themselves. They need advice on which investments to make, and that's where a variety of products related to investing come in. Trading services, financial newsletters, trading systems, all different ways that show people how to invest successfully, whether it's basic budgeting and investing advice or advanced day trading strategies and speculative penny stock recommendations. Even this field is constantly seeing new opportunities. Right now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are hot topics people want to learn more about. You can make videos explaining the concept of trading, or you can have videos which can be for beginners who have just started trading. Number 4. Make money on the internet. This is a way you can share your expertise in making money on the internet. You could create your information products, courses, ebooks, or coaching programs, and if there are any programs or courses from other big-time marketers that have been extra helpful, you can promote those too as an affiliate. You could be part of the next big launch campaign. Number 3. Beauty treatments. Having smoother, tighter skin, being more radiant, erasing wrinkles, looking younger and more attractive is a goal of many people. Any sort of creams, formulas, or similar products that promise to eliminate or reduce the signs of aging is very popular. One opportunity right for this market is to start a YouTube video channel demonstrating health, beauty, and hair care type products. Just simply being an influencer in this market can be very lucrative. Number 2. Gadgets and technology. Whether it's a tablet or smartphone, computer speakers, MP3 players, smart home devices, thumb drives, cell phone cases, or earphones, people are in love with gadgets and accessories. Everyone wants the latest and newest piece of technology, and you can capitalize on that in a couple of ways yourself. One approach of making money is blogging, where you can highlight all the latest tech and products coming into the market. You could also have a review site in which you offer reviews on several different products in a category. Every product will come with an affiliate link where they can buy the product and you can earn a commission from the sales conducted for that product. You could also create video tutorials on how to use such products. Though not required, this is another market that would lend itself very well to videos and video tutorial type content. Number 1. Personal finance. Credit scores, mortgage refinancing, debt relief, personal loans, there's a shortage of needs when it comes to the personal finance niche. People need help managing their money or securing money they need for important expenses. Maybe they're in debt and need help paying it down or getting a lower interest rate. Perhaps they're facing bankruptcy and need help navigating that process. In severe cases, maybe they've gotten that dreaded letter from the IRS saying they owe back taxes. In any case, you won't be offering legal help, but you can connect your prospect with expert advisors, promote information products as an affiliate, or offer products like credit monitoring as an affiliate. This is a huge niche with a lot of opportunities. You can also create e-learning and education products to help people navigate these issues and improve their financial situation. Moreover, you can make videos which could be self-help guides on how to maintain personal finances. Be creative while making the video so that even if you aren't showing your face, people are going to be invested in what you're presenting. This brings us to the end of our video. Let us know everything in the comments down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it informative, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can catch up on more informative videos like this in the future. And with that being said, take care and goodbye.